If you earn decent money, yet still feel constantly behind, this video will explain the invisible system quietly draining your future. Because the middle class trap isn't laziness or bad luck, but predictable financial gravity shaping everyday decisions people believe are safe, normal, and responsible, while actually locking them into lifelong working, borrowing, and hoping circumstances magically improve without ever changing underlying behaviors. Steering income toward consumption instead of ownership, slowly stealing decades from hard-working families chasing comfort, rather than building freedom, they assume automatically arrives after promotions finally appear sometime later in life, rarely realizing the escape requires intention. Most people imagine escaping requires extraordinary income, brilliant investments, or risky entrepreneurship, yet the trap survives because salaries rise alongside lifestyles, meaning every raise quietly upgrades apartments, cars, subscriptions, vacations, and expectations until higher earnings produce identical financial pressure, leaving households permanently dependent upon monthly paychecks, terrified of interruptions, since obligations expanded faster than assets, creating golden handcuffs disguised as success, celebrated socially while secretly preventing flexibility, experimentation, and strategic risk that historically allows ordinary workers to transform stability into genuine long-term leverage, producing options beyond employment contracts, controlling daily energy long before retirement age officially permits personal freedom anyway. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Middle-class households master survival, not wealth creation, because education trains employees maximizing job security, instead developing asset ownership thinking. So intelligent professionals optimize resumes, negotiate salaries, and chase promotions, yet rarely calculate how much money actually purchases freedom, causing decades spent improving incomes while ignoring investment rates, leaving retirement dependent upon market luck rather than everywhere. Unique escape begins understanding income alone never builds wealth. Ownership does. Meaning shares, businesses, and productive assets must gradually replace dependence upon labor, because time caps earnings while capital compounds silently, allowing patient investors converting consumption habits into ownership pipelines, steadily redirecting future cash flows toward investments, generating additional income simultaneously. Another overlooked mechanism trapping earners involves psychological spending, triggered by comparison, where neighbors, colleagues, and social media feeds subtly redefine normal living standards, encouraging upgrades disguised as deserved rewards, convincing professionals success demands visible consumption. Yet, wealthy individuals quietly purchase assets first, luxuries later, ensuring investments finance lifestyles, while middle-class workers reverse order, buying status immediately, hoping future earnings justify earlier indulgence, unintentionally sacrificing compound growth that required only small discipline delays, separating temporary restraint from permanent dependency upon ever-increasing salaries, supporting appearances instead of quietly strengthening balance sheets, enabling confident long-term decision-making during volatile economic downturns hitting hardest. Consider this blueprint. Allocate every salary increase toward ownership acceleration, not lifestyle expansion. Directing bonuses into diversified investments before adjusting spending. Creating automatic wealth momentum. Preventing comfort creep while maintaining modest upgrades funded exclusively through asset-generated income.